We're working on a Lexus. I don't know what it is, some kind of Lexus. Anyway, this Lexus, we're getting ready to do a pressure test on it. The guy brought it in and said the radiator blew. Well, as you can see, we installed a new radiator and hoses and did all kinds of work on this about, maybe 6 months ago, maybe 8 months now. It could be a year, I don't remember, but of course, we put a new radiator in at that time, and of course, the radiator's getting the blame. But with our further test here, we're going to see that the radiator did not blow. Oh boy, look at that Old Faithful coming out over there, that plastic fucking thing. Oh my God, that's the radiator. Doesn't that look cool? Well, there's our problem. Cured.